Welcome back to Turpin Auto World. My name is JP Ostocky. I'm a sales guy here. Just wanted to show you the 2006 Pontiac Grand Prix GT. Excellent car. We came across it just locally. It's got polished aluminum rims, very low K. It's a comfortable car to drive. It's all about the sports tune suspension. On the inside, it's well equipped with microfiber seats, even a power driver seat, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a really good sound system, CD player, and a lot more. In the back, there's even a lot more room. Handle 2 full-size adults or 3 children. It's fun. The back seats will fold down in a 60-40 split to let bigger items through, like golf bags, hockey sticks, and so on and so forth. But the trunk's really the creme de la creme. The trunk is giant, like these Grand Prix are known for, and when you fold down the seats, you've just got so much space. It even has a dual exhaust to finish off the whole look. If you want to look right here, you can see more cars like this at www.turpinautoworld.ca. My name is JP Ostocky. Thanks for stopping by.